Sweet potato vines are pretty easy to propagate. So what I'm going to do here, grab a couple of these vines here, cut in between a couple of leaves. All right, let me get one more. So I'm going to take a couple of these bottom leaves off here. You're going to stick them in this water. So what we're going to do here is we're going to stick this in a well-lit room, and we're going to see if it's going to produce fruits for us. So here are the sweet potato vines that I cut today. Here are some sweet potato vines that were cut 3 weeks ago. And as you can see, they're rooted pretty well. So what I'm going to do here is just grab one of these. Look at the roots, right? Nice white fibrous roots, okay? I'm going to cut this part off. Yeah, right there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and plant this in this nice soil mix that we have here. So now this is potted up. What we're going to do is let it stay here for about a couple of weeks. We'll take it outside. We'll put it in shady conditions first, right? Because we don't want to stress it out. We want it to get acclimated to the environment. And then maybe a week or so after that, we'll put it in the condition that it loves, which is full sun.